right, everybody, welcome back for another deep dive.
Always a pleasure to be here.
Today we're diving into some pretty cool machining tech, and it's all about making internal grooving and turning operations way smoother and more efficient.
Yeah.
And the company behind this innovation is called Iscar. They're really shaking things up with their new line of inserts.
Definitely making waves.
So you're ready to get into the nitty-gritty of what makes these inserts so special?
Absolutely. Let's do it.
All right. So Iscar is calling these their Quick-I-Groove precision ground inserts. And right off the bat,
Catchy name.
yeah. And the thing that jumps out is that word precision ground. So what does precision grinding actually mean in this context, and why should machinists even care?
Well, basically, it means Iscar is taking their inserts to the next level of accuracy. They're grinding them to incredibly tight tolerances. Think about it like this.
Yeah.
When you're working with complex assemblies, especially in industries like aerospace or medical devices, you need every single component to fit together perfectly right.
Yeah, absolutely.
With these precision ground inserts, you get much tighter tolerances on your parts, which means a better overall fit and less chance of having to rework anything.
That's what I'm hearing. Less rework, less headache, and ultimately saving time and money.
Exactly. And not just that, the precision grinding also gives you a much better surface finish on your work pieces, so you get less wear and tear over time.
Oh, wow. So even the final product could last longer.
Yeah.
That's impressive. Okay, so I was looking at the specs for these inserts, and another thing that stood out was,
Let me guess the 4 cutting edges.
you got it. How do they even manage that? It sounds like a dream come true in terms of cost effectiveness.
It pretty much is. You're essentially getting 4 tools in one. Imagine how much you can save on tooling costs.
Seriously, that's a game changer, especially when budgets are tight.
Yeah.
All right, now let's talk about this internal cooling system. I'm really curious about how it works and what benefits it brings to the table.
It's a clever system. Essentially, they've designed the tool holders to deliver coolant directly to the cutting zone. And this does a couple of really important things. Yeah.
First, it keeps the cutting edge cooler, which obviously extends the tool life. Second, it helps to control the chips much more effectively than traditional external coolant setups.
Oh, that makes sense. So better chip control means?
It means you can potentially ramp up your cutting speeds without compromising accuracy. And because you're getting better chip evacuation, it reduces the risk of those chips building up and messing up your workpiece.
Okay, so less downtime, smoother cuts, what's not to love? Now let's get down to the brass tacks. What sizes are we talking about here? What kind of jobs can these inserts actually handle?
So these inserts come in a range of widths. You've got everything from 1 millimeter to 3 millimeters, so they're pretty versatile.
That's a good spread.
Yep. Perfect for a variety of internal grooving and turning operations.
Yeah.
But keep in mind, the minimum bore diameter you can machine is going to depend on the tool holder shank size you choose.
Yeah, actually, they're designed specifically to work with these inserts. They're designated as GQHINR for a right-hand orientation or GQINL for left-hand. And it's worth noting that all of these inserts are made from Iscar's IC808G grade material.
So I'm guessing that's a good thing.
It is. This grade is known for its toughness and how it performs under pressure, particularly useful for those really demanding machining situations.
Sounds like it. So let's just recap for a second. We've got precision ground inserts with 4 cutting edges, major cost savings right there. We've got this internal cooling system that not only extends tool life, but improves chip control. And we've got a range of sizes to tackle all sorts of jobs.
That's the gist of it, yeah.
Pretty impressive stuff.
Yeah.
And it makes you wonder, where do we go from here? What's next in the world of machining?
That's the big question, isn't it? I mean, with these advancements in tooling technology, what other innovations can we look forward to? Will we see even greater levels of efficiency and precision?
Right. And what about sustainability? Can these innovations help make manufacturing more environmentally friendly?
There's so much potential. It's exciting to think about.
It really is. And that's a wrap on another deep dive. As always, thanks for joining us.
Until next time.
And keep those minds curious.